In today's video, I will teach you how to add a weave effect to photos in GIMP. Let's get started. Today we're diving into creating a weave effect in GIMP using the artistic filter known as weave. This effect adds a textured woven appearance to your images, giving them a unique and eye-catching look. Start by opening the image that you want to apply the weave effect to. You can do this by navigating to File, then Open, or by pressing Ctrl-O. Browse to the location of your image file, select it, and click the Open button. The second step is applying the weave filter. Once your image is open, navigate to the Filters menu, then select Artistic, then Weave. This will bring up the Script Foo Weave dialog box, where you can adjust various parameters to customize the weave effect. Here's the breakdown of the parameters that you can adjust. Ribbon width adjusts the width of the ribbons in pixels, while ribbon spacing controls the distance between neighboring ribbons or the size of the black square holes in pixels. Shadow darkness sets the darkness at the crossings of the lower ribbons as a percentage. Shadow depth determines the strength of the bends in the ribbons as a percentage. Thread length controls the regularity of the stripe texture. Thread density sets the density of fiber-like parallel short stripes on the surface of the ribbons. Thread intensity adjusts the opacity of the stripe texture. Use the sliders or input fields to adjust these parameters according to your preferences. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click the OK button to apply the weave effect to your image. The third step is reviewing and adjusting if necessary. Take a moment to review the results of the weave effect that you have applied to your image. If you're not entirely happy with how it looks, you can undo the effects by going to Edit, then Undo, or by simply pressing Ctrl-Z. Then you can adjust the parameters in the Script Foo Weave dialog box and reapply the filter until you achieve the desired result. And the fourth step is saving your document. Once you're satisfied with the weave effect applied to your image, it's time to save your document. So go to File, then Save, or press Ctrl-S to bring up the Save Image dialog box. Here you can type in a name for your document in the name box and choose the XCF extension to save it in the GIMP's native format. Saving your document in the XCF format preserves all the layers and settings of your image, allowing you to edit it later in GIMP if needed. Additionally, you may want to export your image in a more widely used format such as JPEG, PNG, or TIFF for sharing or further editing outside of GIMP. And that's it! You've successfully created a weave effect in GIMP using the artistic filter. Experiment with different settings to achieve various weaving patterns and textures, and have fun exploring the creative possibilities of this effect. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.